think it's for the people to understand that how the state government has been fooling the people, talking about 64,000 crore investment. And every time you talk about, okay, we went here and this is the kind of investment, we went to Japan and we have 36,000 crore investment, and we go to US and this is what the investment. So these holiday trips have been at the cost of public money, and the amount of the amass of wealth that DMK has garnered in the last almost 4.5 years is for the world to see that whatever the money comes, it's not for the public, it's for the personal use. And I think it's high time people of Tamil Nadu, they understand that they need to put a full stop to a government who has been actually living a very, very lavish lifestyle at their cost.
On the disasters even that happened in Karur, there has been a second opinion.
No, I think it's very important because the day this incident happened, the very next day, I think Vijay and his party said that we need a CBI probe. But the state government put in an STI probe. And I think when you put an SIT probe, you need to understand that why are you going against it? Probably this man-made calamity could have been avoided. And this is what the observation of the Supreme Court is also there, that it is a man-made calamity. The committee which had come from Delhi, from BJP, headed by Srimati Hema Malini ji, even they said, that committee said it was a man-made calamity. So just because you're scared that this is your last leg run for a political career, and your son does not actually hold anything, not even a candle next to Mr. Vijay, you try to distort and you play with the human lives. It's the most shameful thing a political party can ever do. And I think there's absolutely been no apology from the state government for their failure to what happened in Karur. They have been trying to brush it aside. But I'm glad Supreme Court has stepped in and they have ordered a CBI probe, which again the Congress was trying to mislead it, saying that there can be one committee member from the state, which is not allowed. And this also has been clarified. So I think it's high time that Nakuta Kalavani, what we say, hand in glove kind of a crowd, a clout of a bunch of people who have been taking people for a ride, like DMK and Congress, they need to shut up and listen to what the people have to say. And I'm glad that Supreme Court has stepped in.
There are already comments raised. There might be a hand of BJP in CBI probe. What do you refer?
Oh, wow. So, every time the CBI comes in, then and Supreme Court orders that there's BJP because it's against you. So, every time there's something for you, then how come BJP is not involved, or if the government is not involved into it? So, it's again like you taking people for a ride and saying that when it's what I want to hear, what I want to see, and then it's if in my favor, then I'll say, yes, this is the right thing. When the minute it's not in your favor, you say the BJP is involved in this. So these kind of tactics are not going to work again. The fear is very clearly written on the faces of DMK. The Oscar-winning performances of the DMK leaders is for the people to see. I think even Jack Nicholson or Al Pacino will fail for the kind of performances we saw from the major post holders, the ministers of DMK. I think they need to understand that it's high time. Stop it, and we will make sure that this is the end of DMK.
Any piece of advice and support for TVK's leader Vijay?
No, Vijay is more like a brother to me. I always speak to him. This was very unfortunate what has happened, but I just hope that this does not deter him. He's shown a great strength. He's shown the kind of public crowd he has pulled in. Of course, as an actor, he has pulled in. Whether that's going to convert into vote or not, that only people will decide close to the date. We'll have to wait and watch. But as my younger brother, I'll always wish him all the very best.
Subscribe to One India and never miss an update.